So this last one that I'm going to do, first, thank you so much, Debi, for having me back. I appreciate it.
Thank you, love having you here.
So this last one I just finished up recently, and this is about calling people out.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey, girl. Don't you think that you said enough? Everyone knows that you're acting tough. It's high time you were put in your place and got called out for throwing that shade. No more lies about how you care, but twisting the truth. Well, don't you dare. Your moment has come and all eyes are on you. It's your turn to be criticized too. Oh, the feeling's gonna rock you in. Karma comes to knock you off your high horse. Whoa, off your high horse. Whoa. Your mama teach you respect? Well, she called me up to tell me that she ain't impressed with your vicious tongue and your judgmental lies. Even your mama thinks you crossed a line, and she's right. The feeling's gonna rock you in. Karma comes to knock you off your high horse. Whoa.